Hi, welcome back to our channel. Most of us have problems with weed. No, not this one, but these ones. They can grow very tall as a meter or even taller within a span of a month. So if you get very busy with work, or family, or vlogging, and you forget about these guys, then you can be in big trouble. So unless you are Bill Gates or Elon Musk, you better get your act together, because these weeds won't cut themselves. In this situation, a lawnmower is not what you need, but instead you will need this tool. It's called a weed puller. And it actually looks like one of Batman's equipment.
More agile. Perhaps you should read the instructions first.
Well, that's a good point, isn't it? The packaging actually shows you how to use it. You simply need to press the blades down, right over and on the center of the weed. Then hold this part of the shaft using a downward force and pull towards you. And voila! It's that easy. It's actually quite fun, and sometimes you find some creepy crawlers underneath. There are times when a chunk of soil gets stuck in the root, so make sure to loosen it up to avoid having a gaping hole in your lawn. Now let me show you how easy it is to clear out your entire lawn with just this handy tool. We don't even own a cat. And finally, I'm down to my last weed. Time to clean up. finally done. From this to this, and this to this, all within 2 hours. Luckily, I have the weed puller, otherwise it would have taken me at least half a day if I did the work with my bare hands. So that's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.